We are now going to the most crazy challenge till date. We're going to take $100 account to $1,000. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So how it will works. We're going to take $100 to $1,000. The way you're going to do that is that you're going to set a limit, a stop loss with $100. That means if you lose $100, we have lost $100, right? And I'm going to set a $900 profit limit. That means 900 plus 100 is 1,000, right? So that means if we reach the $900 before we lose 100, that means we have reached the target of taking $100 account to 1,000. So this will be crazy. And yes, you can join me on this challenge because you can have this binary option robot completely for free. You find link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. It's completely for free and works on desktop and on cell phone. Now let's start up the bot and let's see if we can really take account from $100 to 1,000. This will be interesting.
I'm back again. They came for the crown, came for the fall. I came with the storm in my chest, that's all. Hands in the seal, fate on the line. Feel that old fire, wake up inside. Eyes on the dark, no time to bend. I was made for the clash, I was made to defend. I can feel it rise like a storm in my veins. If they want the monster, they're gonna know my name. Run with the nine tails, run with the nine tails. I burn through the night.
And there we have it. 61 trades. We did take $100 account to $1,000. How amazing is that? So yes, it is possible to take $100 account to $1,000 right away. How amazing is that? So this was the most crazy challenge we have done till now. If you want to join me on this, be aware that of course there are risks when you take a so small account to so big, but we have proven it is possible. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube, works at cell phone and on desktop. So with that, have an amazing day.